हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल चरण's फाइनेंस जहाँ पे हम स्टॉक्स के एनालिसिस करते हैं इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज. So friends, today we are going to talk about a pharmaceutical company called Eris Life Science. So यहाँ पे जो कंसेप्ट और जो फ्रेमवर्क मैंने अप्लाई किया हूँ वो समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That will give you an understanding that why I selected this stock. So as per my framework, जो सबसे पहला पॉइंट ये है, the company should be from small cap and mid cap category. So this company market cap is almost 9,500 crore, which makes it a small cap company. So selecting a small cap or mid cap company is a no-brainer, right? Because ये ऐसा space है जहाँ से we can find hidden gems or the future multi-baggers. So in today's stock market, all the mega cap companies like Reliance, TCS, Infosys, SDFC, ITC, they were all small or mid-cap companies a decade ago. If you're expecting a multi-fold return in next 5 years or 10 years, then this is the space you should be doing your research. Of course, बहुत सारे छोटे size के companies से we have to do a lot of research, lot of hard work, and definitely you will be rewarded if you select the right one. Next, the second point which I look in my framework is focused business. मतलब जो management or the company should not have multiple divisions where they cannot focus on the core business. They do manufacturing and marketing of pharmaceutical products, right? The number one focus is they are selling branded formulations only in India, no foreign business. But what is the advantage? I mean, you might have questions like they can earn more money if they sell products outside India, like in United States or in Europe or any other place. But friends, this is a pharmaceutical business, medicine business. So if you want to export your products, then you have to do a lot of compliance to the foreign regulators, and also foreign companies like Indian companies like Cipla, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, they are selling products in US, and you can see from their results there is a lot of pricing pressure in foreign markets, especially the developed markets. So this company is focused in India and they are enjoying a very high margin of more than 35%. Number two focus is they are focused on 5 key therapy areas. So in these 5 key therapies, they collect revenue of 91%. Like these 5 categories, they contribute 91% of the company's revenue. Number one therapy category, anti-diabetic. Number two, cardiovascular. Number three is VMN, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Number four is central nervous system. Number five is women care. So this company is focused on in these 5 categories. They have a very good market share. So as I said, the company is focused on these 5 categories. So definitely they will be doing good. So they are focused on these 5 key categories. So focused business. So number three point in my framework is growing company. Growth rate should be high. So this particular company is outperforming the sectoral growth. So you can see in any therapy category like anti-diabetic, cardiovascular, VMN, CNS, or women care, they are growing at a higher rate than the IPM growth rate. So IPM growth rate is nothing but the industry growth rate, like Indian pharmaceutical market. So जो भी market growth rate है उसको handsomely beat कर रहा है. So the orange bar is market growth rate and other one is Eris Life Science growth rate. So definitely they are outperforming the sectoral growth rate. So we should always look for companies जो अपना सेक्टर का ग्रोथ रेट को आउटपरफॉर्म करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी सेक्टर, फार्मास्यूटिकल हो या सीमेंट हो, आईटी हो, कोई भी सेक्टर, अगर सेक्टर 10% से ग्रो कर रही है, then you should look for companies who are growing at 15%, 17%, 20% like that. So this company is definitely growing company and the future looks very bright, my friends, because they're into categories like which is called chronic diseases. So chronic diseases are diseases like cancer, diabetes, cardiac problems. So these diseases, they affect our health for a very long period. So medication period is very long. and this company is focusing on that area. And these are lifestyle created diseases like lack of exercise, lack of sleep, work stress, not having good diet. So this kind of problems create these diseases like cardiac problems, diabetic problems, and we all know India is a diabetic capital of the world. So definitely future looks very bright for this company. So number 4 in my analysis, as per my framework, is financials. The financials should be good for any particular company. So this company is like almost debt free. They have almost 44 crore rupees of debt, which is very negligible. The reserves are almost 1700 crore as of September 21. And if we look at cash and equivalents, they have almost 44 crore. They have almost 369 crores of investments. So all this data is as of September 21. So financially, the companies looks very healthy. There are not much of debt, and balance sheet is pretty good, no leverage. And the last point of my framework is valuation. Even though this is the last point, but ये actually very important, मतलब number one होना चाहिए. So valuation मेरे लिए इसलिए important है because as per my experience in the stock market and as per the books that I have read, or even if you follow any great investors, you will hear that whenever you buy a company or let's say a business, you should have enough margin of safety. Means the downside risk should be low. For example, for this company, last 5 year sales growth 15% CAGR, last 5 year PAT growth 22% CAGR, and ROC 27%, ROE 24%. And if you look at the PE, the company's PE is only 24. So a company which is growing at 22% is trading at a PE of 24. So that is fair price. I won't say it's a deep discount, but it's a fair price. So definitely this company fits into all the checkpoints of my framework. So definitely it's a buy for me. So you guys can also do a lot of research, read annual reports, transcript. So basically, दोस्तों, in my video, I always try to make people understand the concept, the thesis or the framework in selecting stocks. Because यहाँ पे अगर लंबा इनिंग्स खेलना है स्टॉक मार्केट में, so आपका concept or the way you research for your stock should be very, very strong. So yes, this was all about analysis of Eris Life Science. Do subscribe to my channel where I will come up with such exciting analysis of new ways or very good companies. See you in next video, and till then, happy investing.